Let me guess, you get lost in the scroll and you spend hours on social media, yet you haven't found quite the way to monetize it. Let's talk about 3 different ways that you can monetize your social media scroll so that you can actually get lost in the scroll and still make money and not feel bad about getting distracted in the scroll. So for those of you that don't know me, I've been an online entrepreneur for many, many, many years, and I've built multiple businesses online. And I want to talk about some ways that you can monetize your social media scroll as well. And I'm going to give you 3 new ways that people probably are not talking about in here. And I'm going to save the best one for last. It's probably the one you haven't heard of. If you have heard of, you're going to be blown away by how much money you can really make. So number 1, the first way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. That is the easiest, simplest way to make money because all you need to do is put up an affiliate link and you get paid a commission. Now, Amazon is one of those places where you can make a commission, but Amazon's commission rate is really, really, really low. In fact, it's anywhere from like 3% for a sale, which is on the higher end. And the reason that Amazon can do this is because their conversion rate is really high, meaning that people that go onto Amazon through your link are most likely going to order because it's Amazon, right? Everybody has an Amazon account. But the problem with Amazon is A, that the commission rate is really, really low, and you also don't get the lifetime value of your customer, right? And so the lifetime value of that customer, what that means is for every repeat order that that customer does, you don't get any repeated commissions off of that. So what I found was an affiliate company called Modere, which builds differently than the traditional network marketing space, and that it has an affiliate side where you can earn up to 36% commission, which is amazing, but you can also get the lifetime value of a customer. And so if this is something that's if you're something that you're interested in and you are looking for something maybe in the health and wellness space, whether it be supplements, skincare, hair care, face care, weight loss products, collagen, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link for you a video right over here on Modere's business model because it truly is fantastic for somebody that wants to get involved in affiliate marketing. It's how I have really gotten started in this online space, and then I've branched out to other things as well. And then in the description of this video, I'm going to put a link so that you can come and chat with me, see if it's a good fit for you. I'm happy to share more about Modere and what makes it very different than the traditional network marketing space, but also at the same time very different than the traditional affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is one way that you can definitely make a significant income online, right? The second way to make a great income online is by putting together a course and getting lost in the social media scroll where you create a brand for yourself based around the course that you've created. So let's say you're really good at knitting or gardening or health and wellness and fitness. You can put together a course, you create content on the social media scroll for it, and then you can sell your course, right? So I also have a course that teaches YouTube and how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. And that is an additional income stream that I have been able to make every single year on autopilot because I put out videos like this. I link my YouTube webinar for it, and then people go and order. So they go and order my course. And so yes, I've been able to make an additional income stream by putting out courses, which is absolutely amazing. And the nice thing about courses is that it's kind of already done, right? So it takes a lot of work up front to get it to, organized and get it ready and get it then converting in a funnel. But once it is, it's kind of like a set and forget, right? And so one of the other ways that I've been able to monetize my social media is monetizing my YouTube by, selling courses, my other, Facebook as well. I've created an entire brand that teaches people how to use social media for their network marketing business, and that has helped significantly. Now, the third way to monetize our social media in today's day and age, it's now at the time of this recording, it's December of 2024, or 2023, excuse me, I'm a year ahead already. It's December of 2023. And I have been able to finally figure out a way to monetize my TikTok scroll. And how have I done that? I have done that through TikTok Shop. So a few months ago, TikTok launched TikTok Shop to try to combat everybody leaving that platform and going onto Amazon or Shopify in order to order, the products. And so what has happened is they now have an affiliate side, TikTok shop, where you can sell particular products that you love or that you agree with, and you can then go and order from there. You put out a video, you get a link right there as an affiliate, and then that person can then go out and purchase from your affiliate link directly on TikTok. And it has gone a little bit gangbusters, I'm not gonna lie, where I have been able to make a significant income from TikTok shop just by putting out short form videos. So instead of getting lost in the scroll, I'm actually finding a way to monetize my scroll, which is super duper duper important, because let's be honest, who couldn't use an additional income stream in today's day and age? And if you're already on social media, why not get paid for it, right? So again, in the description of this video, I'm gonna put a link so that you can contact me directly if you're interested in learning more about the affiliate program that pays up to 36% commission that you can put on any of your social media outlets. You promote their products, their services, you don't have to do any shipping, and you get the lifetime value of their customer, which is basically unheard of in this affiliate space. And so if that's something that's interesting to you, in the description of this video, I'm going to put it there for you to contact me. Let's see if it's a good fit for you. And I'm excited to be connected. I think it's super important, to monetize our media scroll as moms, so to speak, right? Monetize our media scroll moms, right? Especially in today's day and age when an additional income stream is always super important, and we're already on social. So if you've got any questions or any, anything that you want to share, definitely make sure you reach out, you connect to me. And then my question for you is, what social media platform are you on the most? Let me know what is your favorite social media platform. And again, this is another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. We will see you next week for another episode.